Jiv is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn the word for war. Cogadh. Cogadh. War. Cogadh. Now let's use that in a sentence. Tá sé ina chogadh. Tá sé ina chogadh. There's a war on. Tá sé ina chogadh. Tá sé ina chogadh. Another example is Cogadh na seer-sha. Cogadh na seer-sha. The War of Independence. Cogadh na seer-sha. To learn more Irish like this, why not take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.